Guys,
Double yun.
so today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to use a caulk gun. So, warning, this is very loud. So please put your volume down. If this is down, if this is up, this is not going to be pulled. And if this is down, it's going to be pulled. So it's very loud. It's very loud. So once you're gonna put the caulk or the seal, if you put the caulk here, you put this up.
Alisin mo na lang yung reflective pati
Now
yan,
fire.
Wala rin nakalagay na reflective. Ang nakalagay lang
Clear na lang, puro clear.
wala nang reflective lahat.
Tanggalin mo na yun, puro tanga lang. Paano
Supply and
magkaka-reflective?
installation of one panel, a window system, empty clean glass. Ibig mo sabihin kasi nun, pwede ring reflective.
Walang 10 mm na
See, if
reflective.
you put this down, I mean if you put this up, when you're going to put this all the way back,
Para kasi ang
it will
ginagawa
fire.
niya, pwedeng clear glass or reflective.
Ginaya niya yung sulat ni Sir Ram.
So, wala ang reflective lahat.
Wala na yun.
I-clear ko lahat.
Yeah.
this is moving. This. If you're going to reload it, just
Buhin
pull.
ko man. Hindi na sabi mo 18 yun.
Just put this down and then pull it like actually pull it. It's very loud, see? Okay, and once you got this,
Bebe, yung
it's
what,
all
yung,
the way.
Be,
Like if you got it all the way,
yung
just
D01,
put this
nakikita
up
mo dyan?
and now
Okay
fire.
lang page yun. Oh.
D01 na eh.
Oh.
Lagay mo dyan, frameless yan eh.
Frameless.
As you can see, this is moving.
Two sliding doors with ito, fixed window 10 mm, thin clear and angled glass, reflective on aluminum. Frameless, hindi frame black, frameless.
Frameless. Tapos 12 mm, be. Hindi 10. Bubble. Ginaya nga yung sulat niya. Ano eh, kasi si Sir Ram, wala alam dun sa ano eh.
I'm gonna do a POV video on this if I can, or if it's possible.
Supply and installation of two windows.
And this is how you hold the caulk
Sliding
gun.
door with
Put
Anong
your
sliding
4
door?
fingers
Swing
over
door?
here
swing door
and
ba?
your
Swing
thumb
door
over
with
here,
fixed
and then
window, 12
put your 4
and
fingers
thin clear
in
angled
on the
glass,
trigger,
reflective on
Be.
and then
aluminum
put your
frameless.
Alisin mo
your
yung ano eh,
thumb
tempered yun, tempered.
put your thumb behind
Ayusin ko yung anel,
the-
pagtak lahat ng tempered.
the
Hindi, yun
trigger.
lang, yun. Pinto mo
And-
yan.
Ayusin yung anel.
Yeah.
Just go crazy.
Wala ko ipapalit.
Tempered.
Tempered.
Yeah.
So it's like a hydraulic press. So that is how you use
Dito
a
ako sa
caulk
number 1
gun.
mo, nako-confuse ako dito sa ano.
And it
Yung
has
7,
been
7.
3 minutes and 55 seconds. So bye.